When you're outside and by the pool, everybody loves a pool noodle. But did you know that when you're inside, you can turn this into a cool tool to prompt some early literacy play? It's a great opportunity to work on some letter recognition. If you don't already have some pool noodles lying around your house, they're inexpensive and they're easy to find. So grab your markers and your pool noodles and let's go play. Today the girls and I worked on some letter recognition as well as some CVC and sight word formation, and we even had an opportunity to do some phonics. Dig in and start finding some letters and some words. L. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna look in here and we're gonna find the lowercase letter L.
I found do the alphabet all the way to Z.
You're gonna do the alphabet all the way to Z?
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea. Oh, you already found it.
It's right here.
Oh, nice. Okay, great. Here, you know what we can do? We can put it right here. Isla has the A and the B. She's looking for the C, but you're looking for the B.
I just found the
Look
C.
in there. Here, look in there and see if you can find it.
ABC.
Oh, have a look, Lynn. What do you think that looks like? That looks about the same, right?
Yeah.
This is letter B, right? Put them in a stack, girl. Good job. The sound and the feel of the pool noodle is something that the kids are really familiar with, and they love that squishy, squeaky sound that it makes. See if you can find the letter M, okay?
I found it.
You did find it. Hold them up so we can see if they match.
I'm gonna do.
Grab a word. Let's grab a word. We're gonna find a word. This is a good word. Look at this. This is.
In my basket.
Hey, look at this. Watch this. Watch this.
In my basket.
G in there.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G. Yeah, you should have a G in there. Did you look good?
I have a
Look
G.
good?
Here's a G.
That's an X.
What letter is this?
What letter is that? Even though Lena's attention span isn't as long as Isla's, if we continue to keep the play going, a lot of times she will go ahead and engage in the original game. Isla, I know you are lining up your alphabet here, but it's by any chance would it be possible if I borrowed an uppercase L from you?
Yes.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
Just make sure you give it back, mister.
You want to put them on?
I forgot.
Yeah, there you go, you put them on. Hold on, but don't jam it here. Now hold it.
We can spin it around.
You can, that's right, you can spin it around. So you have L-E-N, we need another N. Let's put that one there. Yeah, put that N on there. All right, Lennon, shout the letter O. Say the letter O.
The letter O.
All right. Oh, wait, look. Bam. Oh. So we gotta find one more N, Lennon. Let's see.
Mine is a popsicle.
Yeah, that's right. Now how you lick the ice cream? Spin them so they line up. I'll hold the construction paper, and you just spin the letters, okay? No, like, hold it like that. Now show it. Now look at it. Look right in the camera. There you go. Good job. Man, we borrow your L back, please. You know what? You might be able to. There you go. Now that says winning. Take a look at this. Isla has all the ABCs all lined up over here.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Atta girl, you hear that? Take notes. Better take notes. That's good stuff. This activity is also an excellent opportunity to work on some of those fine and gross motor skills. They're clamping on the pool noodles to the sides of the bins and they're lining them up on the rods. And all of those things require hand-eye coordination. And now I'm going to show you how to prep your pool noodle. I have a pre-portioned pool noodle that I've already marked letters on. Only thing left to do is to make a smaller portion of pool noodle. Once I have my smaller portion of pool noodle, I can take it in the back, make a cut, and now it's prepared for placement on the bin. Just like that, easy breezy. Now you're ready to play. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna time you and see how many you can find all together. I'll tell you what, it's gonna go faster if you put them on here, but if you wanna put them on here, that's a cool way to do it too, okay? Ready?
And go.
Okay, that'll work. Clock, the time is ticking. Go ahead, girl. See what you can come up with. Oh, yeah? Mud. Good job. That's one word. All right, find another one.
Okay. S.
A. You can use that.
Sad.
Sad. Mud. Okay. You know what you? Hey, what letter was that?
Oh.
What letter was that? There you go. Switch that out. Switch that out. You get another word. If it's a B, switch it out. No, if it's a B, switch the S out and you get bad.
No. B-O. Bow.
Bow. There you go.
Hey, bow go, that rhymes.
Bow and go do rhyme, you're right. When Isla was working with the sight words, we upped the ante and we added a ticking clock and gave her the motivation to go further and faster.
I think I got the next one. Will you help me, Dad?
What are you looking for?
E.
E. Let's see.
E.
Oh, no.
Oh,
I grabbed the wrong one. Bam, there's the E. There you go.
That's
Alright.
the letters.
What you took? The letter?
2 minutes
Can't
and
see anything.
56
Here,
seconds.
fix it up.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
High five for the people.
Oh.
With Isla being able to read, the pool noodle activity is wide open. There's so many different ways you could do that. We got to spell words with Isla. She got to line them up on the band and she got to put them on the rod. ABC Pool Noodles are a fun, colorful, and tactile way for you to get your kids trained on those early literacy skills. The possibilities are endless. So grab those pool noodles and go have some fun.